Okay, so welcome back. So here, the transactions we made before are now have 8 transactions or 8 confirmations, which means that hopefully, if all goes well, we should see them up here. So I'm just going to refresh the information. We'll see the block, the chain height. This is the vote explorer that we're looking on at the moment. So we're going to look, or here it should list our addresses and confirm that we're actually that's all good. So we can see that the height is up to 755, and these were included in block 754. So hopefully, oh, here we go. Number of voters, that's gone up by 1. So over here, this is the fun part. So we're going to refresh this, and then we should see the new voter pop up, and there we go. Okay, so 1 down the bottom here with 1,000 votes. That's that waiting. Yeah, so that's all done. Now it's in here. So that's that part of things. If we go back to our Windows VM, this means go away. Yeah, so this is our address. Now what's more is if we refresh this page now, we should see votes remaining and the unspent outputs increase. Be about maybe 5 and 1, I think. And oh yeah, we got to authenticate, so testnet, and then we go enter, and then dump. There we go, 5 and 1. So 5 votes remaining, 1 unspent output. Now, just to finish this off, I am going to go over here to my local. Think this is, yep, there we go. Okay, so this is this is one of the admin accounts. So I'm going to create a new resolution, and we'll call it T-005. I don't even know what to put here. And the end timestamp, I should really have a sensible default for that. And then let's change this to a 3. What's that? On the 11th. On the 4. That's on the 13th. Okay, cool. So we'll have a few days to play with this. Just get this. Yeah. So the idea of this is that I'm going to broadcast a new resolution, and then we can vote on it with our other account. Cool. So. Okay. Now, so how do we vote? I'm just going to do this one more time. So what we'd do is I just created the resolution T005. So we'd come over here and then T-005, put that into the resolution thing, and then we can choose where we'd like to be. Let's say we're going to go 75% yes and 25% no, or as close as we can. So we'll click that. That will give us a new signed transaction. We can go over to opreturn.ninja, and we won't do it just yet. We're going to wait for the other transaction to confirm first, and then we should we'll do this, and we'll see if our vote goes through. Okay, so here we are now. Down here we can see that the instruction has been committed into the blockchain, so it's safe to start voting on it. So we'll go back over here to this, over to the neutral voting block, and yeah, so we got this transaction where we're voting 75%-ish, or 191. The 75% is this number divided by 255. So we'll go over here and push that. It's like, cool, we get a transaction ID. Cool, looks like it'll be out. You can check coin secrets. And And there we go. That's our vote. Now, we'll come back in a few minutes, or I will come back in a few minutes when that's been confirmed and we can see the vote in the Vote Explorer. Okay, here we are again, much later. You can see that our vote actions have increased, and if we go to resolutions, we can see here T005 is predicted 75% in favour, which is our vote scaler, just here. We can go, well, you can see this is the transaction that we made on the Bitcoin network. If we show scripts in Coinbase, down the bottom here, you can see our op return transaction. So, that's that. That's basically how simple voting is. Yeah. So, one other thing, that if you want to go and check this later, because you know this is going to be around forever, we can do okay, so get this guy, he's going to vote 20% or thereabouts for T005, because I don't know, that's his prerogative. Wow, why is it taking so long? There we go. Cool. Okay, and pushed. Now, why is this significant? Because at the moment, oh wait, no, it's not significant. That's right. I was just thinking about the deferral chain here, but this is like a 3 link, like 13 to 12 to 1C here. But that's okay. Yeah, anyway, so that is the end of the video. That's basically how easy it is to vote. And if you want to check up later, then you'll see the vote I just made appearing here somewhere. Cool, thank you.